All-Seated Auto Layout Feature. In All-Seated, we have a quick and convenient way for you to place multiple objects onto a floor plan by using our Auto Layout feature. When you hover your cursor over any object in the library or favorites list, you will see an icon in the bottom right corner. This is the Auto Layout tool. Select the icon and a Properties box will appear with 4 options of auto layout shapes. Here, you can select the shape you would like to use as well as set the spacing between the objects both horizontally and vertically. Now when you move your cursor onto the floor plan itself, you will notice the crosshairs. This is your drawing tool to click and drag over the space where you would like to place your multiple objects, and automatically those objects are populated. Once you are satisfied with the objects you have placed on the floor plan, using the Auto Layout feature, release your mouse. If you would like, you can change the shape of the objects in the Auto Layout Shape Properties box or adjust your spacing. Once you are satisfied with the objects, select OK, and now your auto layout is set.